Welcome guys to our YouTube channel. Justin's out here.
Guys, before we start, make sure you watch up to the end, because at the end I'm going to share on how you can execute our signals from the trading challenge. So I'm going to show you from how to read them. Actually, on TradingView I share the setups, I share charts. So I'm going to explain on how you can read these charts I send and how you can execute the trades on your MT5, how you can input the SL, the TP, and how to manage the trades. So I'll also share my money management plan, the risk management plan, and if you want to make money with me, make sure you stick up to the end.
So about brokers, how they connect us to the market, how do we deposit, how do we withdraw money from these brokers, how do we connect our broker accounts on MT5, and then after that we'll learn on how to change partnership from your partner to under me. So we're going to do that today. And of course, the broker I recommend is Excellence, has quick withdrawals, faster deposits. It also has small spreads on gold, euro USD, and it has the best spreads on gold so far. I know they improved a lot. So today, first let's get into the role of the broker. So brokers are here to connect us to the market. They take our orders and then put our orders into the market. So when we earn a profit, the profit will go to the broker, and the broker will give us the profits through withdrawals. So when you deposit money, you're depositing on the broker. So the broker is gonna connect servers to MT5 and give you a trading platform. So this trading platform is where you're going to execute your signals from, and we always use MetaTrader 5. There is a lot of trading platforms like TradeLocker, Tradovate, there is Ninja Trader, there is a lot, even TradingView. You can execute trades on TradingView, but for us we use MT5. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step explanation from when you create your Excellence account up to when you execute the trades. But first, if you already have an Excellence account, I'm going to take you through the process of changing your partner to under my partnership, because that's how you're going to qualify for the challenge. That's how you're gonna qualify for the free services I'm giving you out for this. So I need you guys under my partnership. So what you're gonna do, if you already have an Excellence account, you're gonna go to your settings and click live support or live chat. So under live chat in your Excellence application, you're gonna type the word IB change or partner change. So you send partner change, the bot is gonna send you a link. You click into that link and they will give you a page which looks like this. So here you log in your Excellence details and you are gonna have this page laid out on your browser. So first you need to answer. You paste in my link. This is the Excellence link you need to paste in, and after, on the first option where there is trading signals education, you click education, and then on where there is where you found us, you can paste our Telegram link or WhatsApp link. This is the Telegram link and this is the WhatsApp link you can post. It's also in the description of this YouTube video. If you don't see these links anywhere, you can just go to our platforms, WhatsApp, Telegram, and ask for it. You're gonna get this link. So after completing this process, you're gonna click, or you add some comments, or maybe you can put Justin's a good mentor, something like that, and then you click OK. So they are gonna give you 3 business days for the change of this, but it normally happens within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So after this process, you're done with everything, you're gonna get an email and it's a confirmation after receiving it. You're going to go into your Excellence and create a new MT5 account. So this is the account which is actually registered under ours, and it's the account you're going to use to trade with us in the trading challenges if you want to join our trading challenges. So if all this fails, when they bring a thing like not eligible for partner change, this means that you need to create a new email address and register again using my link. That you're automatically going to be under me with the new email. So if the partner change fails.
Thank you for watching this far, guys. Now before we start learning on how to take the signals in the trading challenge, I want to first give you a past week trade signal performance for the past week. We're in the 3rd week of July. So this was a Monday. We only had one signal, and this signal from Nasdaq. As you can see, guys, it hit our SL. That's the only trade we had on Monday. Now let's go to 15th July. On Tuesday we have euro USD. These were our buy zones, but unfortunately price left without tagging us.
and we had CPI, so we decided to trade live on CPI. I gave out this BTC sell, and you see it going into profits. We did this live on YouTube. We also trade live, guys. See, just make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel to avoid missing out. So we do trade live every day at 3:30, trading gold and Nasdaq. So the BTC signal went into profits. You can see floating $2,000 on my FTMO account, and these are the entries on the MT5. So we had ZAR USD sell signal live again, and then it went into profits. But unfortunately, ZAR USD stopped us out at BE, and also BTC came back to stop us out at BE. So we had the last signal, which was the Nasdaq buys. Nasdaq, let me see, sure. It was Nasdaq buys, and Nasdaq also stopped us out at BE. So that was how 15th July went. But again, I caught another gold setup. It was a sell setup. Let's see how it went into profits. Also, that's the Nasdaq, so gold going into profits. That's our trading challenge account. We have a $200 account, trading it live with you guys. So Nasdaq went into profits, and I bet gold also into profits, but they also came back and hit us at BE. So really, Tuesday was a bad day. That's why we always don't need to trade during news. So we didn't trade on 16th and 17th. We caught a trade. This is a Thursday. So Thursday I had gold sells. You can see marked up Euro USD sells as well. So instead I got a confirmation on BTC, and I gave you guys the signals. You can see guys sharing. I'm going to show you on how to take these signals and what you should do. As you can see guys sharing their screenshots after taking the signals, so just hanging up to the end of the video. Now we had that BTC sell which went into profits, but I set BE, though unfortunately I forgot to update the team. That's the bad thing I did, but I'm going to rectify on that. So we have bad gold, we have buy gold, and on Friday this was our last signal for the week. I gave it out at around 14:28. So guys, you just need to keep your alerts on for you to avoid missing out on this. So I gave out the signal, and this is how I always manage the trades. I'm in, and the trade went into profits. Our $300 account, the challenge I'm trying to trade with you guys. This is it going into profits, and this is when I closed because I had hit my targets for the day. Let me see, $100 on this big account. So last week I managed to flip my account from $500 to $1,200 using these signals. I'm going to show you the withdrawals at the end of the video. Just keep on watching. So the trade went into profits, and on this $200 account I closed at a profit of $15, which I always target every day. You don't need to aim for big profits, it's just small consistent profits which add up. So a trade hit TP. As you can see, the trade hit maximum TP. So guys, all you have to do is keep consistent with my signals and the challenge. Always join the live classes, you're going to win. Now let's dive into how to take the signal. These are the rules you can follow if you join my trading challenge. So first of all, you need to have MT5, and you need to know on how to use this application. I'm going to show you here. So once I send a signal, let's say buy gold, now as you can see I share this signal. I always share the SL, which is 352, and also the TP, which was 3357. So all you have to do when you get this, I'm going to share the numbers here. Like now I always share buy gold now, and I put the SL because the first thing you need to do is to protect your capital. So you have to rush. Once you get that alert, you rush to your MT5. This is our MT5 account.
this is the market execution. We always use market execution if it's a live execution, and if it's a pending order, we use limits, buy stop, sell stop. And I'll always indicate this on the signal that this is a stop order or it's a buy now market execution. So now what we have to do is input our stop loss right here. You can put your stop loss and your TP as well. The numbers I first give you your stop loss, and then later on I update the TP, because I don't want us to panic placing TP just in case it's a pending order or it's just a market execution. If the time you're wasting to put TP, your price might leave you out. So that's what we are trying to avoid. So you always need to put or protect SL first. Protect your capital or protect your trade by setting a stop loss. After that, then you can go and check in the Telegram group again to find the TP as well. But before that, you need to position size your trades, guys. So if I send a signal with an SL of this and this, you need to go and calculate what pips am I risking and how much lot size I'm going to use. So you need to spend most of your times researching about that. So we've learned on how you can, so after doing that process, all you have to do is come and under this and in the comments and upload a screenshot of your trade. This is a confirmation that you have entered the trade, and it's a rule you need to do. You need to provide a screenshot. As you can see, these guys providing the screenshots, but it's a few guys. We just need to be consistent. It's going to work out, guys. It's working for me. It can work for you if you stay dedicated as well. Now let's look into my trade management plan. How to trade. Let's say the trade is already in profits. How are you going to manage these trades? First, this is our updated trade management guideline for the signals. Let me use this big one to present. So the updated trade management guideline for signals. Hey team, we've had a few great questions lately about how we manage our trades and the signal. So here's a clear updated breakdown to help everyone make the most out of them. Please take a moment and read carefully. Before the entry, we always give you a heads up 2 to 3 minutes before sending the entry signal, so you are alert and ready. So when I drop the signal, it comes with the exact entry like I explained earlier, a defined stop loss, and now to take profits. Listen carefully, guys. If you're a bit familiar with our strategy, you often know that we are leaning towards buys or sells. So I always alert you guys. I always share my analysis in the morning, and I'm like, these are the zones you are waiting for, and I always set alerts that we have tapped into our zones and we are aiming for buys or sells. So you just need to be prepared. Even when you're working, you can just set alerts on Telegram and delete all other groups. Just focus on this one. So stop loss placement. The SL is always placed just below or above the M5 candlestick. The chalk is a change of character. This is where highs or lows, and this is an example of chalk right here. We have this high taken out by this one, and then we have this low taken out by this. So this high was taken out by this low, and then this high took out this low to create change in character. That's one of our entry confirmation. And the other entry confirmation is the FU candlestick, the M5 candle FU. Always alert. I have an indicator on trading view for that alert. I don't know if it's here. I can show it to you. So this is it. This white candlestick is always what we use for entries as well, and I'm always updating you guys. So you must double check. Oh, we also have a bear trap and bull trap confirmation also. And now you must double check the placement with the broker and enter. So the broker I recommend is Xness. This one, it has quick withdrawals, quick deposits. and better spreads, guys. It's the best in the industry. Sign up, the link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe as well. So take profit targets, we use a fixed risk to reward approach for consistency. We use TP1, which is 1 ARA. This means that it's the same size as your SL, because ARA means risk. So if it's 1 ARA, this means that it's 1 times as big as your SL. ARA means risk to reward. So if it's TP2, we always aim at 2 ARA, 2 times your risk. It's double the SL size. TP3, we also have TP3, which is 3 ARA. It's always triple the SL size. So at TP1, the standard action is to move SL to break even. So whenever we reach TP1, let me explain using TradingView. Whenever you reach TP1, this is our trade we had on gold. This is the trade we had on gold. So we have our entry right here, and then TP, this is 2 ARA, this is TP2. Get? So TP1 is always at 1 ARA. Whenever we hit 1 ARA, we move our stops to BE. So we moved our stops to BE, and you see price came back and never took us out. So it went and hit our full TP at TP2. Well, however, if you want to hold till TP3, all you have to do is move your SL to 1 ARA and then your TP to TP3, then you can hold. But then you need to collect some partials first before. Let's go to 11. So clarifying BE versus TP1. If a trade hits TP1, then BE, then you set BE. It's still recorded as TP. If a trade hits TP1 and it reverses to BE, it's still recorded as TP1. I hope you understand that. If a trader never hits TP1 and we go to break even before and it reverses earlier, we record it as BE. You get? So our signal record is designed to give you a transparent review on how you can decide if you want to go full TP1 or scale out and start collecting 1 ARAs. So you're going to see, depending on the data, because I'm going to be giving out the weekly performance report on how the signals are doing, on how the 1 ARAs are doing, and the 2 ARAs and the 3 ARAs. So it depends on you to choose on the trading style you want. So the FX is our personal trading style.